I'm sure that textile value chain. I'm sure majority of the people from different parts of the value chain are present in this corporate conference, from cotton production to ginning, spinning, weaving, and garmenting as well. But there's always a one question comes into picture. Hey, my business is small, or my business is doing well or okay. Is it applicable to my company? Or there is also another question that comes to mind. Yeah, it is applicable to me, but it must be costly. My company can't afford, because these are all the things. Digital transformation is to be only done by the large company with a huge amount of investments and long time to run the project. Or even that I can probably allocate some budget, but it's a complex, and we are in a remote place, and we are in a very small town, and we don't have enough resources internally to drive the thing, or I don't even have an access, because if there is any problem in future, I will not be in a position to access expertise to help me support in any of the initiatives. So these are the questions that could be arising in many people's mind. Why digital transformation? Or am I ready for a digital transformation? Is my organization ready for a digital transformation? This is the first question majority of the people or majority of the organization goes through. So what I would recommend is that we don't really need a complex assessment or complex thought process, or kind of different levels of study to understand. Just having a very broad view of your business and having to understand these six key factors. So let me just spend few minutes on this. One is your industry consistently having declining profit? Is your organization in the last few years is going through a declining, is where there is a squeeze on increase in the cost, or where there is a squeeze on the margin? This is one factor for you to consider whether you need to transform your business. The second one is that you might also see that there can be new players emerging, or the way you are interacting with different supply chain partners could be changing. There are new the industry structure changes are happening. This could be the second reason when which can influence you to transform digitally. This doesn't really require a specific textile industry aspect, because you are in the business, and you as a business owner or the senior leader can think about it and then see, based on your interaction with your customers, based on what you consume as the news, you can always get to understand as well. The third part is that the technology change, the pace of technology, as my the speaker before me talked about the various technology which is changing, and then how the textile manufacturing is is happening. It has an impact, and if you're going to be not adapting these changes, naturally you will be falling behind as well. And the fourth part is that is your organization is consistently underperforming, not really able to achieve the business goals for whatsoever reason. It can be, we can always put certain situations on some business climate is not good or what, but when it happens on a consistent basis, it's definitely a candidate for you to think about what can be fixed by rethinking using digital transformation. And sometimes what also happens is that a new player or a new leader comes in with a different and fresh thinking as well, and he thinks that let me not really wait for somebody to start some new initiatives, but rather I will be the leader, not the follower. So he would be able to launch certain initiatives which can definitely change the overall equations of competitiveness in your in your industry as well. And finally, the crisis like COVID, and I'm sure that in the last 18 months, majority of the business which were brick and mortar, and also which were not really online, had a huge challenges, and giving a lot of owners sleepless nights, because they were not really not digitally enabled. So these are some of the factors. If two or more factors are influencing your organizations, and if you are able to look at it, and you don't really need an external people to look about it and then give you a recommendation, if any of these factors are influencing your business performance, it's the time for you to consider thinking about how to transform your business, and also leveraging technologies as well. And once you think about, when you are falling in this part, and naturally the digital transformation, as we talked about, it has can create 10x benefits. And what are the few benefits which we can think about it, is that it can help you to get into the new markets, because what happens is that when you move in from an offline to a digital environment, naturally your cost of reaching out to your target customers would be negligibly small. So naturally, it can help you to reach to new markets, create visibility, and also create new avenues for revenue. And from the manufacturing or operations logistics perspective, it can reduce cost with respect to connected machines or efficiency increase in the quality of the product so that the wastage is less. And there are various reasons. So I'm not here talking about specific technologies because these technologies are only enablers. But once you start thinking about what why you have identified, and if your business falls in it, when you are ready to transform the business, the benefits of digital transformations are many. So this is what is the reality it's going to be in the next coming decade. There are only two types of businesses: those that are already digital, they have some form of adoption of digital, and those that soon will be. So if you are not considering digital as a part of your business strategy, naturally you will be having a larger challenge to existential crisis to face in the coming years as well. So these are some of the facts I would like you to consider it as you start thinking about how or why you need a digital transformation. Is your organization is ready?